United South High School, Texas A&M International University, Aguilars, Ranquitos Las Lomas, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Orville and Laredo Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright guys, I just started recording, but the storm's coming and it's bad. Like B-A-D, capital. It's bad. Like guys, look at this guy. Hold on. Like look at that. And like it's gonna be bad, guys. So I'm not gonna upload that much, but I'm gonna try keeping you guys updated. Like it's at the Hilton V ping pong size. So yeah guys, bye.